1316 East Holmes Avenue, across from Cuscaden Park. Cuscaden. New paint, fenced yard, corner, one-way street south, Holmes, shade tree, tile floors, front room, could be a bedroom as in number 1, living room area, all new paint, ice cool air, kitchen, y'all know what that is, stove and refrigerator, sink. You have 2 rooms over here, all new flooring, new paint, high ceilings. You have a closet with storage above. Third bedroom, master bedroom maybe, right next to the bath. Access to it. Walk through. New bathroom. Remodel. Tub and tower combo. AC in the closet. Hall closet right outside the bathroom. Back to the kitchen. Tile floors. Another bedroom if you like. What's that make? 4 or 5? Water heater closet. Separate building office. That's the backyard. Side of the backyard. This would be your office, playroom, 5th bedroom if you like, laundry room. That completes our tour of 1316 East Holmes. This fine June 2nd of 2025.